Data-driven billionaires. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Step into the realm of data-driven billionaires, where every decision is informed by insights gleaned from vast troves of data. In this groundbreaking series, we explore the strategies and methodologies utilized by today's most influential business leaders to leverage data as their greatest asset. From predictive analytics shaping future trends to personalized marketing strategies resonating with individual consumers, each segment uncovers the multifaceted approach employed by these titans of the industry. Through risk management, strategic investments, and relentless innovation, data-driven billionaires navigate the ever-evolving business landscape with unparalleled precision and adaptability. Join us on a journey into the heart of data-driven success, where innovation meets insight, and strategic mastery paves the path to prosperity. Data Driver 1. Embracing data analytics. Data-driven billionaires understand the power of harnessing data to inform strategic decision-making across their business ventures. They leverage advanced analytical tools and technologies to collect, analyze, and interpret vast amounts of data from various sources. By extracting actionable insights from this data, they gain a deeper understanding of their target audience, identify emerging opportunities, and mitigate risks more effectively. Whether it's optimizing marketing campaigns, improving product offerings, or enhancing operational efficiency, data analytics serves as a cornerstone for driving innovation and achieving sustainable growth. Data Driver 2. Personalization and customization. Data-driven billionaires recognize the importance of personalization in today's competitive marketplace. They utilize data to segment their audience and tailor their products, services, and marketing messages to meet individual preferences and needs. By leveraging demographic, behavioral, and transactional data, they create personalized experiences that resonate with customers on a one-to-one level, driving engagement and loyalty. Whether it's recommending personalized product recommendations, sending targeted email campaigns, or offering customized promotions, personalization and customization allow billionaires to deliver added value and build stronger relationships with their audience. Data Driver 3. Predictive Analytics. Data-driven billionaires harness the power of predictive analytics to anticipate future trends and behaviors, enabling proactive decision-making and strategic planning. By analyzing historical data patterns and employing predictive modeling techniques, they can forecast market demand, identify emerging opportunities, and mitigate potential risks. Predictive analytics also allows billionaires to optimize resource allocation, anticipate customer needs, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether it's forecasting sales projections, optimizing inventory management, or predicting customer churn, predictive analytics empowers billionaires to make informed decisions that drive business growth and success. Data Driver 4. Customer segmentation. Data-driven billionaires understand the importance of segmenting their customer base to better understand their diverse needs and preferences. Customer segmentation enables billionaires to deliver targeted messaging, personalized offers, and relevant content to specific customer segments, maximizing engagement and conversion rates. Whether it's targeting high-value customers, re-engaging lapsed customers, customer segmentation allows billionaires to optimize their marketing efforts and drive business results effectively. Data Driver 5. Real-time data monitoring. Data-driven billionaires prioritize real-time data monitoring to stay agile and responsive in a fast-paced business environment. They leverage advanced monitoring tools and dashboards to track key performance indicators. By continuously monitoring data streams from various sources, including social media, website analytics, and sales transactions, billionaires can quickly detect changes in consumer behavior or market conditions and adjust their strategies accordingly. Real-time data monitoring allows them to capitalize on opportunities, address issues promptly, and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Data Driver 6. Data-driven product development. Data-driven billionaires integrate data analytics into their product development processes to create offerings that resonate with their target audience. They gather feedback and insights from customer interactions, market research, and user testing. to inform product design, features, and functionality. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, they can identify areas for improvement and innovate new products that address unmet needs or pain points. Data-driven product development ensures that billionaires deliver solutions that are not only technically sound, but also aligned with market demand and consumer expectations, driving adoption and satisfaction among their target audience. Data driver 7. Operational efficiency, optimization. Data-driven billionaires understand the importance of optimizing operational efficiency to streamline processes and maximize productivity. By leveraging data-driven insights, they can implement strategic initiatives such as automation, process re-engineering, and resource optimization to enhance operational efficiency and reduce costs. Whether it's optimizing supply chain logistics, improving manufacturing processes, or streamlining customer support workflows, operational efficiency optimization allows billionaires to achieve greater scalability and profitability in their business operations. Data driver 8. Dynamic pricing strategies. Data-driven billionaires utilize dynamic pricing strategies to optimize revenue and maximize profitability in a dynamic market environment. They analyze various factors such as demand elasticity, competitor pricing, and customer behavior to dynamically adjust prices in real time. By leveraging data-driven pricing algorithms and predictive analytics, they can identify pricing opportunities, set optimal price points, and implement targeted promotions or discounts to drive sales and revenue growth. Dynamic pricing strategies enable billionaires to respond quickly to changing market conditions, capitalize on demand fluctuations, and optimize pricing decisions to maximize revenue and profitability across their product portfolio. Data driver 9. Supply chain optimization. Data-driven billionaires recognize the critical role of supply chain optimization in ensuring efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in their operations. They leverage data analytics to analyze various aspects of the supply chain, including inventory management, logistics, and supplier performance. By optimizing supply chain processes and workflows, they can reduce lead times, minimize inventory holding costs, and improve overall operational performance. Data-driven insights also enable billionaires to anticipate supply chain disruptions, mitigate risks, and ensure continuity of operations. Whether it's optimizing transportation routes, implementing demand forecasting models, or enhancing supplier relationships, supply chain optimization allows billionaires to drive efficiency and competitiveness in their business operations. Data driver 10. Customer lifetime value optimization. Data-driven billionaires focus on maximizing customer lifetime value, CLV, by understanding and optimizing the long-term value of their customer relationships. They leverage data analytics to segment customers based on their purchasing behavior, frequency of purchases, and lifetime value. By identifying high-value customer segments, they can tailor their marketing strategies and allocate resources more effectively to maximize retention, upsell opportunities, and customer loyalty. Additionally, data-driven billionaires use predictive analytics to forecast CLV, identify at-risk customers, and implement targeted retention strategies to minimize churn and maximize customer lifetime value. Data driver 11. Risk management and mitigation. Data-driven billionaires understand the importance of effective risk management in safeguarding their businesses against potential threats and disruptions. By analyzing historical data and employing predictive modeling techniques, they can anticipate and mitigate potential risks before they escalate into larger issues. Data-driven risk management strategies enable billionaires to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and implement proactive measures to mitigate risks and protect their business interests. Whether it's implementing cybersecurity protocols, diversifying supply chains, or hedging against market fluctuations, data-driven risk management allows billionaires to safeguard their assets and ensure business continuity. Data driver 12. Compliance and regulatory adherence. Data-driven billionaires prioritize compliance and regulatory adherence to ensure that their business operations comply with relevant laws, regulations, and industry standards. They leverage data analytics to monitor compliance requirements, track regulatory changes, and assess the impact on their business operations. Data-driven compliance management enables billionaires to minimize legal and regulatory risks, avoid penalties and fines, and maintain trust and credibility with stakeholders. Whether it's implementing internal controls, conducting audits, or training employees on compliance protocols, data-driven compliance management ensures that billionaires operate ethically, responsibly, and per legal requirements. Data driver 13. Innovation and research and development. Data-driven billionaires invest heavily in innovation and research and development, R&D, to drive continuous improvement, differentiation, and competitive advantage in their industries. By analyzing market data and consumer insights, they can identify unmet needs, gaps in the market, and areas for innovation. Data-driven innovation enables billionaires to develop new products, services, and solutions that address evolving customer demands and market dynamics. Whether it's investing in R&D projects, collaborating with industry partners, or acquiring innovative startups, data-driven innovation allows billionaires to stay ahead of the curve, drive market disruption, and shape the future of their industries. Data driver 14. Strategic investments and mergers and acquisitions. Data-driven billionaires strategically deploy their resources through investments and mergers and acquisitions, M&A, to expand their market presence, diversify their portfolios, and drive growth. They leverage data analytics to identify investment opportunities, assess potential targets, and evaluate the financial and strategic implications of each opportunity. By analyzing market data, industry trends, and competitor landscapes, they can identify synergies, mitigate risks, and maximize the potential return on investment. Data-driven investment strategies enable billionaires to make informed decisions, allocate capital effectively, and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the market. Whether it's investing in promising startups, acquiring complementary businesses, or divesting non-core assets, data-driven investment and M&A strategies allow billionaires to strengthen their competitive position, create value for shareholders, and drive long-term growth and profitability. Data driver 15. Future outlook and adaptability. Data-driven billionaires understand the importance of staying agile, adaptable, and forward-thinking in an ever-changing business landscape. They leverage data analytics to anticipate future trends, emerging technologies, and shifts in consumer behavior that may impact their business operations. By analyzing industry data, conducting scenario planning, and assessing potential risks and opportunities, they can develop strategic plans and initiatives to position themselves for success in the future. Data-driven insights enable billionaires to identify emerging market trends, disruptive technologies, and competitive threats, allowing them to pivot quickly, capitalize on opportunities, and stay ahead of the curve. Time for the soft question. Which of these data drivers could you put to use in your business to help transform, grow, and flourish? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. This will help viewers learn from each other and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.